Today we are going to start session number 3 of chapter number 10 circles. So this is the last session of this chapter, and already we have completed all the questions of this chapter. सारा content हम लोग complete कर चुके हैं. Now today we are going to do some additional questions and two very important theorem not for the present session, present सिलेबस. पुराने सिलेबस में वो थ्योरम सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट थ्योरम हुआ करता था, जो इससे पहले वाला जो एनसीईआरटी का जो सिलेबस था. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद दैट थ्योरम, alternate segment theorem. This theorem was famous with the name alternate segment theorem. Okay, so the statement is that if a chord is drawn through the point of contact of a tangent to a circle, then the angles which this chord makes with the given tangent are equal respectively to the angles formed in the corresponding alternate segments. So alternate segment क्या होता है पहले वो समझो, right? एक मिनट, let me explain what is alternate segment. Suppose मैं अभी एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, see carefully, एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ और इसमें एक कॉर्ड बना रहा हूँ मैं. आई एम गोइंग टू मेक वन कॉर्ड. ओके, सो ये जो कॉर्ड है दो सेगमेंट को सर्कल को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा है. दिस इज द मेजर सेगमेंट, ईच पार्ट इज कॉल्ड सेगमेंट एंड दिस इज द माइनर सेगमेंट. ओके, एंड दीज टू सेगमेंट्स आर alternate segment of each other. alternate segment of each other. अगर मान लो एक एंगल इस सेगमेंट में बना रहा है तो alternate segment इस एंगल के लिए ये वाला हो जाएगा पूरा. कौन सा? दिस पार्ट. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
सिमिलरली अगर मान लो हम लोग कोई एंगल यहाँ पे फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, इफ यू आर मेकिंग एनी एंगल हियर, तो इसके लिए जो alternate segment है वो ये वाला हो जाएगा. क्लियर? Okay.
Yes,
so now we will start with the next step, diagram. See, PQ is a tangent, PQ is the tangent and A is the point of contact. Try to understand the diagram. A is the point of contact and through A we have drawn AB, chord AB. ध्यान से देखो. सो कॉर्ड ए बी का जो दो सेगमेंट है, एक इस तरफ है और एक इस तरफ है, राइट? एंड सी एंड डी, टू पॉइंट्स ऑन द सर्कमफेरेंस सच दैट दे लाई ऑन द आइदर साइड ऑफ द कॉर्ड. ऑल्टरनेट सेगमेंट्स में ये वाला और ये वाला दोनों जो है वो कॉर्ड के दोनों एक दूसरे ऑपोजिट साइड्स में, एक इस साइड में एक इस सेगमेंट में तो दूसरा दूसरे सेगमेंट्स में. ओके, सो अब इस थ्योरम को पहले समझो. पहले अगर मैं ये ब्लू कलर का जो एंगल दिख रहा है, एंगल बी ए क्यू, ये इस सेगमेंट में बन रहा है, देखो इस सेगमेंट में. सो इसका जो अल्टरनेट सेगमेंट होगा वो यहाँ पर होगा. सो दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. ये प्रूफ करना है हम लोग को. सिमिलरली अगर मैं ये जो ग्रीन एंगल जो दिख रहा है वो इस सेगमेंट में बन रहा है, तो इसका जो अल्टरनेट सेगमेंट है वो ये वाला है. और इस सेगमेंट में हम लोग कहीं पर भी एंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे, वेयर एवर यू ड्रॉ द एंगल, ऑल एंगल्स आर इक्वल. व्हाई? बिकॉज एंगल इन द सेम सेगमेंट्स आर इक्वल. वेदर टू प्रूफ इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? क्या प्रूफ करना है?
Yes, sir.
ओके, फाइन. सो अब एक कंस्ट्रक्शन हम लोग करेंगे यहाँ पर. वी विल ड्रॉ वन डायमीटर AOE एंड देन वी विल जॉइन BE. सो पहले तो डायमीटर मैं ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. So AE is the diameter and we will join BE. Okay, so this construction is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll start proof. In figure, angle EAQ is equals to 90 degree. See this angle EAQ. Why this angle is 90 degree?
P is perpendicular to PQ.
Why this perpendicular?
So because tangents are perpendicular to the center.
Radius, not to the center. Okay, fine, very good. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, so now we can break up this angle into two parts. First part, second part. ठीक है? That means angle EAB plus angle BAQ is equals to 90 degree. Let it be equation number 1. Whether equation 1 is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब क्योंकि AE डायमीटर है, सो ये वाला एंगल 90 डिग्री होगा. क्यों? Why this angle is 90 degree? ये वाला एंगल 90 डिग्री क्यों होगा अनीश? आई एम ऑडिबल टू एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो
Yes,
बताओ
sir.
ये वाला एंगल 90 डिग्री क्यों होगा? एंगल इन ए सेमी सर्कल इज 90 डिग्री. याद आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in triangle EAB, angle EBA is equals to 90 degree. Why? Because angle in semicircle, इतना ही लिखोगे तो काफी है. Angle in a semicircle is equals to 90 degree. So what is the sum of other two angles of that triangle? ये वाला और ये वाला, AEB और EAB.
90 degree.
Right. The sum of these two angles is also equals to 90 degree by using angle sum property of triangle, or we can write directly also, no issue. Now from equation 1, equation 2, both the sum are equal to 90 degree. Okay, so दोनों को equate करेंगे तो ये वाला मिल गया. अब इसमें ध्यान से देखो, ये दोनों सेम है ना, so we can eliminate. So what you will get finally?
Angle BAQ is equals to angle AAB.
Very good. Angle BAQ is equals to angle AEB. Okay. So now see carefully. These two angles are equal. Why? Why these two angles are equal?
Angles in the same segment.
Very good. Angle in the same segment. Because using that these two angles are equal, but angle AEB is equals to angle ACB, angles in the same segment. So ये दोनों same है तो ये दोनों भी equal हो जाएगा. Okay, so we'll conclude that angle BAQ is equals to angle ACB. So first part we have proved. First part proof हो गया और एक part बचा हुआ है ये वाला जो green color का है. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? What is the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral?
180 degree.
Okay, so the sum of these two angles, this angle and this angle, is 180 degree. Okay, now consider cyclic quadrilateral ACBD. The sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree. Let it be equation number 4. Now what is the sum of these two angles? The green one and the blue one. What is the sum of these two angles?
180 degree.
180 degree.
Why 180 degree?
Linear pair.
Right, very good. Linear pair. So angle BAP plus angle BAQ is equals to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair. Okay, and BAQ is equals to angle ACB. Already we proved here. Angle BAQ is equals to angle ACB. So in place of angle BAQ, we are going to write angle ACB. तो क्या मिलेगा? Angle BAP plus angle ACB is equals to 180 degree. Let it be equation number 5. Now we will compare these two equation, जिसमें मैं अभी टिक कर रहा हूँ. Equation 4 and 5. So what we will get? Angle BAP plus angle ACB is equals to angle ACB plus angle ADB. So इन दोनों में same angle कुछ दिख रहा है?
Angle ACB.
Angle ACB. तो इसको eliminate कर सकते हैं. If you eliminate these two angles, what we are going to get?
Angle
Angle ADB is equal to angle BAP.
Right. Angle ADB is equals to angle BAP. यही वाला second part था. So हम लोग दोनों part prove कर लिए. First part this one and the second part this one. Okay. So any doubt in this theorem?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll move towards one more very good theorem. जिसको मैं अभी एग्जाम्पल्स में ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन बोर्ड एग्जाम में आया हुआ है न्यू सिलेबस में, बट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वेश्चन. So if PAB is a secant to a circle intersecting it at A and B and PT is a tangent, then PA into PB is equals to PT square. Okay, so we are going to prove this theorem. PAB is a secant. Okay, so यहाँ पे secant जो है वो A और B पे intersect हो रहा है दो पॉइंट पे, and PT is a tangent, right? And we have to join. We have to draw OR perpendicular to BP and we have to join OA also and OP also. So figure is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here PA, how will you write PA? PR minus AR. And PB को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं PR plus PB. Okay, so अब मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ PA into PB. So PA into PB will be equals to PR minus AR into PR plus BR, right? Now in place of BR, can we write AR?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why?
OR is perpendicular to
Perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisects the chord. So we can write AR. We have to write reason also. Since AR is equals to BR because perpendicular from center bisects the chord. So now this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So what we will get?
PR square minus AR
Right.
square.
PR square minus AR square. Let it be equation number 1. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग को कितना राइट ट्राइंगल दिख रहा है बताओ. How many right triangles you are able to observe here? 3 right triangles. एक OAR, the second one OPR, the third one OPT या POT. Okay, so we'll take one by one. सबसे पहले हम लोग ले रहे ट्राइंगल ORP. ORP, this one. So if you apply the Pythagoras theorem, what you will get? OP square is equals to OR square plus PR square. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. Clear? And what we will shift? We will shift this to this side. So हम लोग को PR square मिल जाएगा. That is RP square. OP square minus OR square. Let it be equation number 2. Now I'm going to take another right triangle. Right triangle ORA. This small one. OA square. See, OA square is equals to OR square plus AR square. Okay. So let it be equation number 3. अभी हम लोग इसके जगह पे वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. ध्यान से देखो PR square ऑलरेडी वी गॉट दैट OP स्क्वायर माइनस OR स्क्वायर. सो वहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे. OP स्क्वायर माइनस OR स्क्वायर माइनस AR स्क्वायर. वेदर दिस स्टेप इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we will do, OR स्क्वायर प्लस PR स्क्वायर का वैल्यू हम लोग के पास है यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी. ओके, दिस वन सॉरी, OR स्क्वायर प्लस AR स्क्वायर. तो ये दोनों में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? माइनस कॉमन लेंगे. व्हाट वी विल डू, विल टेक माइनस कॉमन फ्रॉम दिस टू. माइनस कॉमन लेंगे तो ये OR स्क्वायर प्लस AR स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. दिस स्टेप इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Now this
Yes,
can be replaced by A square, OA square. यहाँ तक क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Now can we write OT in place of OA? Because these two are equal. Why these two are equal?
Radius.
Right. तो इसके जगह पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे? OT स्क्वायर लिखेंगे OA स्क्वायर की जगह पे. Now apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. What you will get?
OT square plus TP square is equal to OP square.
OP square is equals to OT square plus PT square, right? यही है ना? If you apply Pythagoras theorem, you will get this one. So this can be replaced by what? If you use Pythagoras theorem, OP स्क्वायर माइनस OT स्क्वायर को क्या रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं? ओके,
PT square.
PT स्क्वायर, राइट. सो अभी हम लोग ये फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ले रहे हैं, PA इंटू PB इज इक्वल टू PR स्क्वायर माइनस A स्क्वायर AR स्क्वायर मिला था. सो AR स्क्वायर हो जाएगा OP PR स्क्वायर माइनस AR स्क्वायर हो जाएगा OP स्क्वायर माइनस OT स्क्वायर, एंड दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू PT स्क्वायर. व्हाई? Because OP square is equals to OT square plus PT square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move towards another example. This is very good question. Board exam का question है ये, board exam में आ चुका है. So tangents from P, that is PA PB. Tangents PA and PB are drawn from an external point P to two concentric circles with center O and radii 8 cm and 5 cm respectively. मतलब PA जो है वो 8 cm रेडियाई वाले सर्कल का टेंजेंट है, और PB जो है वो 5 cm रेडियाई 5 cm रेडियाई वाले सर्कल का टेंजेंट है. ओके, एंड हियर द वैल्यू ऑफ AP इज गिवन 15 cm. सो इसका वैल्यू दिया हुआ है 15 cm, एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड द लेंथ BP. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, पहले हम लोग OP ज्वाइन कर लेंगे यहाँ पर, राइट. एंड बिफोर दैट this OA perpendicular to AP and OB perpendicular to BP. Why?
Tangents are perpendicular to.
Right, very good. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, so now we will join OP. Join कर लिए तो दोनों राइट ट्राइंगल मिल गया. पहले ये वाला राइट ट्राइंगल हम लोग ले रहे हैं क्योंकि OA यहाँ पे 8 दिया हुआ है, राइट. The radius of the outer circle is 8 cm. So we will find OP first by using Pythagoras theorem, right. So in triangle OAP, by Pythagoras theorem, before that we know that these two values are given. OA is equals to 8 cm and AP is equals to 15 cm. And by using Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equals to OA square plus AP square. Now OA is 8 and AP is 15. So 8 square plus 15 square. So what you will get? 8 square
64.
or 15 square.
225.
If you add 64 plus 225,
289.
289, and the square root of 289 is 17. So we got OP is equals to 17. ओके, और OB हम लोग के पास दिया हुआ है 5. हाउ विल यू फाइंड BP? राइट, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. फिर से ये वाला राइट ट्राइंगल हम लोग लेंगे. इन राइट ट्राइंगल OBP, OB is equals to 5 cm and OP is equals to 17 cm. Already we got from above. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equals to OB square plus BP square. Now we'll substitute the values. What we have to find BP. तो इसको यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे तो माइनस हो जाएगा. If we shift this to this side, so OP square BP square will be equals to OP square minus OB square. So BP हो जाएगा square root of OP square minus OB square. And what is the value of OP? 17. So 17 square minus 5 square. So we'll get 289 minus 25. Okay. So that is equals to root over 264, and the approximate value of root over 264 centimeter is 16.25 centimeter approximately. Okay, any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, any doubt here?
No, sir.
So we'll move towards another important question. Two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ is equals to 2 times angle OPQ. This is the example of our NCERT book, और एग्जाम में काफ़ी बार आ चुका है. This is very important question. So see this diagram. ये वाला एंगल को हम लोग थीटा ले लेते हैं, ठीक है. We are going to take this angle as theta. And a circle with center O, TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle from an external point T, and P and Q both are point of contacts. Okay, so let angle PTQ is equals to theta. Now we know that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So these two sides are equal. TP is equals to TQ. Okay, and if these two sides are equal, so these two angles are also equal. Why?
Angles opposite to equal sides are equal.
So this will imply TPQ is an isosceles triangle, and therefore angle TPQ is equals to angle TQP. The reason angles opposite to equal sides. Right. Now what is the sum of all these three angles?
180 degree.
180 degree. Why? Why 180 degree?
Angle sum property of triangle.
Very good. Angle sum property of triangle. So also the sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. So therefore the sum of these three angles is 180 degree. So out of these three angles, these two are equal to each other. Already we have proved here. So इसको हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? एक एंगल को यूज करके टू टाइम्स लिख सकते हैं. आई एम यूजिंग इन TPQ in place of this one. So ये 2 times angle TPQ हो जाएगा, and this angle already we took theta degree. So the sum of these two is 180 degree. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will shift theta to this side. So minus theta हो जाएगा, और divide by 2 करेंगे तो half into 180 degree minus theta हो जाएगा. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Now you multiply half to both. So इसको half से multiply करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
90 degree
90
minus
degree.
theta.
Right, 90 degree minus half theta. Okay, this step is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards the next step. What about this angle?
90 degree.
Why 90 degree?
The tangent of the circle is perpendicular to the radius of the
Okay,
circle.
very good. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, so OPT, angle OPT is equals to 90 degree. The reason is tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Okay, now the sum of these two angles, we can write is equals to 90 degree. Okay, so OPQ को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं OPT, angle OPT minus angle TPQ. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the value of this angle is 90 degree, and the value of this angle is we already got here 90 degree minus half of theta. उसको substitute करेंगे. If you substitute, this will become plus. Why this will become plus? Due to this minus sign. जब bracket open करेंगे तो ये plus हो जाएगा. अभी कुछ cancel हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
90 degree.
So 90 degree cancel होगा तो क्या मिलेगा final?
Half theta.
Half theta. What was theta? Theta क्या था?
Angle PTQ.
Right, angle PTQ. Then we will replace theta by angle PTQ. यही proof करना था. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Angle
No, sir.
PTQ will be equals to 2 times angle OPQ. Okay, now we'll move towards one more very important question, which is also a textbook example question. ये board exam में काफी बार आ चुका है, and this is very important for this year, for standard exam. PQ is a chord of length 8 cm of a circle of radius 5 cm. The tangents at point P and Q. See, tangent at point P and Q intersect at T. Find the length TP. ये length find करना है. Okay. So let us start with the step. First, PQ is equals to 8 cm is a chord of a circle with center O and radius 5 cm. Okay, and we have to join OT which intersects PQ at point R, already given in the diagram. Now triangle OT, TPQ, triangle TPQ is an isosceles triangle, and TO is the angle bisector of this angle. Why? Why triangle TPQ is an isosceles triangle and TO is the angle bisector of angle PTQ?
So because PT is equal to TQ.
Okay, okay, fine. Because TP is equals to TQ as the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal, that we know. And also center lies on the bisector of the angle between the two tangents. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Also, we know that, now listen carefully. Also, we know that the point lies on the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Point lies on the perpendicular bisector of a line segment is equidistant from its endpoints. I will show you. Suppose one line segment is there. एक line segment मैं ऐसी draw कर रहा हूँ rough. ओके और इसका एक परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं ऐसी रफ. सपोज दिस इज अ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक 2 पॉइंट्स. यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट ले रहा हूँ, एक पॉइंट ले रहा हूँ. ये ए है और ये बी है. ओके सो यहाँ पे परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर में जो भी पॉइंट होगा दैट पॉइंट इज इक्विडिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ए एंड इक्विडिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ए एंड बी. ये दोनों सेम डिस्टेंस होगा. सपोज ये पॉइंट पी है, सो ए पी इज इक्वल्स टू बी पी. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so therefore OT is perpendicular to PQ. Why? Because TP is equals to TQ already हम लोग यहाँ पे बता चुके हैं. And point lies on perpendicular bisector of a line segment is equidistant from its endpoint. Just now I explained. So OT bisects PQ also. अगर OT bisects PQ होगा तो what is the value of PR?
4 centimeters.
4 centimeter.
राइट 4 सेंटीमीटर. सो ये 4 हो गया. अब मुझे R का वैल्यू चाहिए. सो R का वैल्यू 3 आएगा. कैसे आएगा 3?
Pythagoras
Right.
theorem.
We will use Pythagoras theorem. Now therefore OR square is equals to OP square minus PR square under root. Okay. So OP is 5 centimeter. OP is 5 centimeter and PR is
4 centimeters.
4 centimeter. यहाँ पे 4 है. 4 centimeter. So 5 square minus 4 square. Next step is 5 square minus 4 square. कितना आ रहा है?
9.
9.
25 minus 60.
Right. Root over 9 मिलेगा. That is equals to 3. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now next step. Now angle TPR. Listen carefully. Angle TPR. This angle plus this angle is 90 degree. Why?
Tangent is perpendicular to the radius.
Very
of
good.
circle.
Tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Right. Now the sum of these two angles is also 90 degree. Why? कौन कौन सा? ये वाला एंगल and this angle, because this is perpendicular. So the sum of other two angles, the sum of the other two angles of a right triangle other than right angle is 90 degree by using some angle property of triangle. So we'll get angle TPR plus angle PTR. Similarly, the sum of these two angles is also 90 degree. Clear?
Yes, sir.
अब ये दोनों में ये एंगल सेम है. So this will imply angle RPO is equals to angle PTR. Now see, in these two triangles, in these two right triangles, this angle is equals to this angle. We proved here. And these two angles are 90 degree. This one and this one. So these two triangles are similar. Why?
A similar.
By A is
Right,
like-
by AA similarity. So this will imply right triangle TPR is similar to right triangle PRO by AA similarity. Now we will use the corresponding sides. See carefully. ध्यान से देखो. Just now I told you that the corresponding angle of this is this one. सो इन दोनों का ऑपोजिट साइड्स बताओ मुझे.
PR and
PR and TR.
P देखो इसका ऑपोजिट है PR, ओके, और इसका ऑपोजिट है OR. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दोज टू रेशियोज. इज दैट क्लियर? दूसरा ये 90 डिग्री ले लो, इसका ऑपोजिट साइड बताओ और इसका ऑपोजिट साइड बताओ.
PT and
PT and
OP, right, fine. So this will imply TP upon OP is equals to PR upon OR. Any doubt?
no sir.
Why? Why these two ratios are equal?
corresponding sides of
Right, corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Now we will substitute all the values. OP is 5 and PR is 4 and RO is 3. तो ये मिलेगा फाइनली 20 अपॉन 3 सेंटीमीटर. TP is equals to 20 upon 3 centimeter. This is the final answer. Or we can write 16.67 approximately. Any doubt? 6.7, sorry.
No, sir.
इसके बाद हम लोग 6.67 approximately लिख सकते हैं इसमें, वो भी आंसर. Okay. So we will move towards another very good question. In the below figure, from an external point P, two tangents PT and PS are drawn to a circle with center O and radius R. If OP is equals to 2R, show that angle OTS is equals to angle OST is equals to 30 degree. कौन सा एंगल? These two angles are equals to 30 degree. So very good question. This is also board question. बोर्ड एग्जाम में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है ये. आई थिंक 2013 या 14 में आया था. ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट विथ OT is perpendicular to TP. Why these two are perpendicular?
Tangent
Tangent is
is perpendicular to the radius of
Right,
circle.
very good. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So similarly, this is also perpendicular. Okay, so we can write angle OTP is equals to 90 degree and angle OSP also 90 degree. Any doubt here?
no sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No
now
sir.
now next step, also angle OQT. ध्यान से देखो, OQT, these two angles are also 90 degree. Why?
Linear pair.
No, the sum is 180 linear pair you can say, but why these two angles are 90 degree?
Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord.
ओके, एक मिनट, यहाँ पे दो तरीके से मैं एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. ऑलरेडी मैं यहाँ पे समझाया था कि परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर में जो पॉइंट होता है वो इक्वी डिस्टेंस होता है लाइन सेगमेंट्स के एंड पॉइंट से, राइट? तो यहाँ पे हम लोग बता सकते हैं कि ये दोनों इक्वल है, रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके, सो इस लाइन पे ये वाला पॉइंट है, सो दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. इन अदर वे यू कैन शो PT is equals to PS. Length of tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So again, these P is equidistant from T and S. So OP is the perpendicular bisector of TS. Okay. So PT is equals to PS and point lies on perpendicular bisector of a line segment is equidistant from its endpoints. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So in triangle OTP, ध्यान से देखो, in triangle OTP, what is the angle? See, sine of this angle, sine of this angle, sine theta. With respect to that angle, this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So we will get OT upon OP. So sine of angle OPT is equals to OT upon OP. What is the value of OP? OT?
R.
और OP कितना है? 2R. Already in the question it is given OP is equals to 2R. Okay. So R upon 2R we will get 1 by 2. और 1 by 2 sin theta में कौन सा एंगल होता है?
30 degrees.
30 degrees.
So what is the value of this angle?
30 degree.
30 degree, right? Similarly, this angle is also 30 degree, ये वाला. Any doubt here?
No,
No, sir.
Okay. Now, what will be the value of this angle? ये वाला angle कितना होगा?
30 degrees.
60 degree. कैसे होगा बता रहा हूँ. We can use cos angle POT. दो तरीका है. Cos angle POT is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse. That is R upon 2R. That is also 1 by 2. And cos में 1 by 2 किस में होता है?
60 degree.
60 डिग्री. तो एक वो तरीका है. दूसरा तरीका मैं बता रहा हूँ. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So the sum of this angle and this angle is equals to 180 degree. इसमें ऑलरेडी ये वाला वैल्यू हम लोग के पास है. एंगल OTP 90 डिग्री and this value is also there 30 degree. So we'll substitute. And what is 90 plus 30?
120.
120 इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो 180 minus 120 हो जाएगा. फाइनल आंसर
60 degrees.
60 degree.
So similarly, this angle is also 60 degree. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the angle POT? Sorry, SOT. ये पूरा full angle. 120. 60 plus 60, 120. Okay. अभी हम लोग triangle OST लेंगे. ध्यान से देखो. This angle is 120. And these two angles are equal. Why these two angles are equal?
OT is equals to OS.
Right. OT is equals to OS. So that will imply, because radii of the circle, that will imply angle OTS is equals to angle OST. The reason is angles opposite to equal sides. Now, if these two angles are equal, what is the sum of all these three angles? 180 degree. फिर से वो वाला ट्राइंगल हम लोग लेंगे तो OTS plus OST plus SOT, the sum of all these three angles will be equals to 180 degree. Now what the value of already this angle we got 120 degree. और इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे 2 times एक एंगल लिख लेंगे. Anyone? We will write 2 times angle OTS. And this 120 we will shift over here. So what you will get finally this side?
60 degrees.
60 degree, right. So what is the value of angle OTS?
30 degree.
30 degree.
30 degree, and that is also equals to OST. So this is the proof. Okay. So इसका recording मैं upload करूँगा 3:10 के बाद. Once again you see the solution and you try to solve by yourself. Okay. So now we'll move towards next question. A circle touches the sides BC of triangle ABC at point P and touches AB and AC when produced at Q and R respectively. Show that AQ is equals to half into perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay, so we'll draw the diagram first. ध्यान से देखो, एक circle हम लोग draw किए हैं. Okay, and the circle it touches the side ABC at point P. And when we extend AB, it touches the circle at point Q, and when we extend AC, the circle it touches the circle at point R. Diagram is clear?
Yes, sir.
And what
Yes, sir.
we have to show that AQ is half of perimeter of triangle ABC. ये क्वेश्चन 3 बार आ चुका है बोर्ड एग्जाम में. Very good question. See. Given that a circle touches the side BC of a triangle ABC at a point P and touches AB and AC when produced at Q and R respectively, already it is given in the question. Okay. Now we know that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Okay. So BP is equals to BQ. Similarly, CP is equals to CR and AQ is equals to AR. One by one we will take. First we will write BP is equals to BQ, second CP is equals to CR, and the third one AQ is equals to AR. Whether these three equations are clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now हम लोग अब पेरीमीटर ले रहे हैं, इसका पेरीमीटर क्या है? व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी?
Sum of all three sides.
Sum of all three sides. Okay, very good. So AB plus BC plus AC. This is clear? Now we will split BC. BC को split कर सकते हैं हम लोग, कैसे split करेंगे?
BP plus PC.
Very good. BP plus PC. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ये दोनों को एक साथ लिखेंगे और ये दोनों को एक साथ लिखेंगे, बट लिखने से पहले we will replace BP by BQ and CP by CR. ध्यान से देखो, I am going to replace this two, BQ और CR से replace कर दिए. So what you will get? AB plus BQ
AQ.
और AC plus CR
AR.
AR. So this will become AQ plus AR. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
अब ये दोनों भी इक्वल है ना, इक्वेशन नंबर 3. So that means in place of AR we can write AQ. So this will become 2 times of AQ. So AQ will be half of perimeter of triangle ABC. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll move towards one more question. This is also board question only. In the below figure, XP and XQ are tangents from point X. X से हम लोग tangent draw किए हैं with center O, and R is a point on the circle. We have to prove that XA plus AR is equals to XB plus BR. Okay. So since the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal, so AR is equals to AP and BR is equals to BQ and XQ is equals to XP. ठीक है, एक एक इक्वेशन ले रहा हूं मैं. सबसे पहले XP is equals to XQ, let it be equation number 1, and AP is equals to AR, let it be equation number 2, and BQ is equals to BR, let it be equation number 3. Okay, and now I am going to take first equation, that is XP is equals to XQ. XP को split करो,
XC plus AP.
XA plus AP.
right, and XQ को split करो,
XB plus BQ.
right. उसके बाद we will change AP by AR and BQ by BR. Over. This is the proof. Okay. Now we'll move towards one more very good question. This is the last question of today's session. A circle is inscribed in a triangle ABC having sides 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 12 centimeter as shown in given figure. Find AD. This you have to find AD, BE and CF. ये फाइंड करना है. तो हम लोग पहले स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. द लेंथ ऑफ द सिंस द लेंथ ऑफ द टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉन फ्रॉम एन एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट आर इक्वल, सो दिस टू आर इक्वल. ओके, इसको मैं x ले लेता हूं मैं. दिस टू आई एम गोइंग टू टेक x, राइट, एंड नेक्स्ट वन दिस टू आर इक्वल, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक y. ध्यान से देखो, दिस इज वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन और ये भी 2-3-4 बार एग्जाम में आ चुका है. एंड दिस टू आर ऑल्सो इक्वल, so I am going to take Z. Okay, right. Now 8 सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है दिस साइड, कोई भी एक साइड ले लो. AB ले लेते हैं 12 सेंटीमीटर और BC ले लेते हैं 8 सेंटीमीटर और CA ले लेते हैं 10 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, AB is 12 सेंटीमीटर, BC is 8 centimeter and CA is 10 centimeter. So AB को हम लोग लिखेंगे x plus y, right? X plus y is equals to 8 centimeter. Similarly, BC y plus z is equals to 8 centimeter and AC is equals to x plus z, that is equals to 10 centimeter. Whether these 4 equations are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now what we will do, we will add all these 3 equations. तो तीनों इक्वेशन को ऐड करेंगे तो x 2 टाइम्स मिलेगा, y also will get 2 times, z also will get 2 times, and राइट हैंड साइड में 30 आ रहा है. देखो ऐड करने से. So 2 times of x plus y plus z is equals to 30. That means x plus y plus z is equals to 15. Let it be equation number 7. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
अभी ध्यान से देखो, अगर मुझे x का वैल्यू चाहिए तो मैं इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा. So what you will get if you subtract 7 minus equation 7 minus equation 5? Left side में subtract करो. X is equals to, will get 7. Okay. Now if I want y, I will subtract equation 7 minus equation 6. So what you will get if you subtract the right hand side?
Y is equals to 5.
Right, y is equals to 5. Very good. उसके बाद लास्ट z के लिए ये वाला दोनों इक्वेशन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. So 15 minus 12.
3.
Z is equals to
Z
3.
is equals to 3. So finally we got AD is equals to 7 and BE is equals to 5 and CF is equals to 3 centimeter. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the last question of today's session and no, one more question is there, right? This is 2016 board exam question. Very short question. इसको भी complete कर लेते जल्दी से. In the below figure, two equal circles with center O and O dash touch each other at point X. This point. O dash produced meets the circle with center O at A. This point. AC is tangent to the circle with center O. This AC is the tangent for this circle. At the point C. And O dash D is perpendicular to AC. O dash D, this is perpendicular. Find the ratio of D O dash and CO. So we'll start with, let R be the radius of each of two circles, equal circles with center O and O dash. And since the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, so OC is perpendicular to AC. So this is equals to 90 degree. Okay, this angle is equals to 90 degree. Now also in the question it is given that O dash D is perpendicular to AC. So this angle is 90 degree. Okay. Now I am going to take two triangles. One triangle, this one, the smaller one, and the full one. ये दोनों को हम लोग similar proof करेंगे. देखो कैसे proof करेंगे? Angle A is equals to angle A, common angle, and these two angles are also equal. Why these two angles are equal?
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Each 90 degrees. So these two triangles are similar by which criteria?
AA
AA similarity. Okay. So their corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides कौन से होंगे? देखो ध्यान से. D O dash upon C O dash और दूसरा होगा A O dash upon A O. Right? And what is the value of A O dash? Radius. ये भी radius है और ये भी radius है. Okay? क्योंकि दोनों सर्कल का रेडियस सेम है. So A O dash will be R and A O will be R plus R. That is 3R. So what is the ratio of this D O dash?
1:2.
1/3.
Right, 1/3. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards the next section, that is assignment questions. Only 3 questions are there. Okay, so you have to complete all these 3 questions and you have to send me through Google Classroom or WhatsApp. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.